Hey friends, if you wish to enable automatic .NET updates on your Windows server, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we have a registry key for you. I'll tell you how to do this. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to HKey local machine and software. Easy. HKey local machine software. Now you will have to create a key named Microsoft.NET, okay? Or any other version of .NET that you want to. The procedure will be similar. Right click new key and Microsoft.NET. Now in the right pane we will create a dword 32-bit entry named allow AU on server OS. Right click new dword 32-bit value allow AU on server OS. If you wish to allow, then change the value data to 1. And how do you change it? Double click on it, open its properties and change the value data to 1. Okay, this will enable automatic .NET updates. If you wish to disallow, if you wish to refuse them, then change it to 0 and hit enter and reboot your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.